Hey, it's Misa with OCDetailing, and now we're talking Cybertrucks. We know them and love them, so here is the before, the refrigerator look that we still know and love, but if you're wanting to spice it up, we can do that for you too. Check out the never before seen here at OCDetailing, the IVIOS Rosy Green. This is a color shifting wrap, so as Alex follows me with the camera, you're probably going to see that happen right now, right before your eyes. Super cool. So yeah, this rosy green, it has those beautiful hues of green, a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of teal, but then as you keep on coming across, you're gonna see some purple and violet. It's really, really cool. Watching the color change in action is really awesome. And luckily we had a break from the cloudy weather and the rain so that the sun came out to really give you a really great look at this thing. Yeah, obviously did a full color change wrap on this. It also got the full DQ coating treatment as well as some window tint. So we went pretty dark on these front two windows. This is the 20% using 3M crystalline. And then we just slapped on that 70% for the rear just to get that heat rejection without getting any darker shade on there. So we have this really uniform look. And yeah, this is really a statement piece. And I hope to see this one driving around. I think it's going to be pretty easy to recognize. And we can't wait for our customer to see it. So really excited to do this. And if you guys want to do your truck like this or maybe a different color shifting film, come on over to OCDetailing and we'll help you out.